Embarking on the journey to financial independence, we've identified 13 innovative side hustles that can significantly boost your income, potentially allowing you to earn upwards of $550 daily. Let's dive into these opportunities and how you can harness them to build a prosperous side business. 1. Penning articles on Medium. This platform mirrors the YouTube experience, but for writers. You craft and share your articles, drawing in readers to earn a share of the AdSense revenue. Success stories abound, with individuals earning up to $1,000 monthly. On average, writers pocket $15 to $30 per 1,000 views, a figure that notably eclipses YouTube's earnings. Medium's long-standing presence in the blogging sphere has fine-tuned its monetization strategies. Additionally, AI's capabilities can streamline your writing process, marking this option as an untapped goldmine with an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. 2. Crafting Twitter content. The art of copywriting on Twitter involves creating persuasive text with the goal of driving sales. This role can often involve ghostwriting for influencers, where your words underpin their social presence. Leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, or Jasper.ai can significantly enhance your output. Copywriters can earn between $59,000 and $91,000 annually, with specialization opening doors to even higher earnings. This lucrative path receives an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. 3. YouTube content creation. Venturing into YouTube opens up a world where your content serves as your relentless ally, generating income 24/7 for years to come. YouTube's advantage stems from its Google ownership, providing a wealth of data to maximize your content's reach. Even smaller channels can achieve a full-time income, making YouTube an unparalleled platform in the social media realm. This venture stands out with a perfect 10 out of 10 opportunity score. 4. Selling on ThemeForest. Here, you can design and sell WordPress themes, tapping into one of the most popular website builders available. With AI's assistance, creating appealing themes becomes more efficient. Theme creators average about $390 a month, a notable achievement in a space where many struggle to earn. This opportunity is rated 8 out of 10. 5. Marketing AI prompts. The principle of garbage in, garbage out highlights the importance of quality inputs in AI. By crafting superior prompts, you can significantly enhance AI's output, turning this into a profitable venture. A notable success story includes a prompt creator on Fexel who amassed over 7,400 sales. This niche, perfect for those intrigued by tech and AI's potential, scores a 7.5 out of 10. 6. Career in tech sales. For those considering a more traditional employment route within the tech industry, starting as a business development representative, BDR offers an accessible entry point. This role provides a solid foundation for a career in tech sales, recognized as one of the more straightforward paths to enter the tech field. 7. Multilingual blogging. One intriguing approach is transforming your blog posts into various languages, a strategy powered by AI that's proving lucrative in competitive niches. A friend has seen exceptional success by translating his English blogs, thereby amplifying his earnings tenfold for each article. This global expansion, facilitated by AI, suggests a vast potential for bloggers willing to explore beyond the English-speaking audience, granting this hustle an 8.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. By the way, if you are gaining value from this video, remember to hit that subscribe button for Profitability Plus and give us a thumbs up. Ready for more ways to boost your income? Let's dive into the next side hustle. 8. Faceless YouTube channels. Known as automated or faceless channels, these platforms allow you to produce content without being on camera, focusing instead on niches that appeal to an older demographic with more disposable income. This strategy capitalizes on the higher AdSense revenue generated from these audiences. Automating content creation for YouTube offers a solid 8 out of 10 for its income-generating potential. 9. Ebook publishing on Amazon. KDP, delving into Amazon Kindle direct publishing, as recommended by a seasoned professional in the online business sales field, reveals a surprisingly lucrative venture. Utilizing AI to craft and distribute ebooks can lead to significant passive income, with some authors earning between $30,000 to $60,000 monthly. Focusing on the right niches and considering multilingual publications could amplify your success, rating this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. 10. Stock photography and videography. With AI's advancements, creating realistic and high-demand stock images and videos is more accessible. The potential for profit grows with your portfolio. While individual images may earn modestly, the cumulative effect of thousands can be substantial. This venture is marked with a 7 out of 10 opportunity score, considering the effort to reward ratio. 11. Designing and selling Canva templates. Leveraging the popular design platform Canva, you can create and sell templates ranging from social media graphics to event invitations. This under-the-radar opportunity has seen creators earn up to $30,000 monthly, making it a viable option for those skilled in design and AI, and earning a 7.5 out of 10 in opportunity score. 12. Print on demand. This model eliminates the need for inventory, allowing you to design products that are only created upon purchase. Success stories include individuals earning up to $14,600 monthly with minimal daily effort. Given the high average income of $4,600 for this business model, it's rated 9 out of 10 for its profitability and ease of entry. 13. Online store. Platforms like Etsy simplify the process of selling a wide range of products, from digital designs to handmade crafts. This channel offers a relatively untapped market with the potential for significant earnings, as it handles most of the logistical aspects, allowing you to focus on product creation and marketing. This hustle receives a 9 out of 10 for its broad appeal and ease of use. 14. Creating and selling printables. Specializing further, the creation and sale of printables, items like artwork or planners designed for easy printing by the customer, harness the power of AI for design innovation. Available on platforms such as Etsy, this approach offers a creative outlet with a high potential return, scoring an 8 out of 10 for opportunity. Each of these side hustles represents a unique blend of creativity, technology, and market demand, offering pathways to additional income streams for those willing to explore new digital landscapes. As we wrap up this exploration, remember, the path to profitability lies not just in choosing the right hustle, but in the passion and perseverance you bring to it. If you're ready to embark on this journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more insights into making your financial dreams a reality. Your next step, start today.